Hello folks, this is Elias with Tutorials. Today I want to show you a quick video showing you 5 different websites that I frequently use that are really awesome. So the first website that I want to show you is faxes.com. Pretty much if you have to send a fax to someone and you don't have a fax machine around you, but you do have a computer, this is a great way of doing it. So all you have to do is go to the website and fill out this information, the required information, company, phone, email, and all that pedigree stuff. Then you upload the file. They do take document files and PDF files, so you can upload it. And pretty much put a message down here and the confirmation code, and then just hit send. It'll walk you through the process. It's pretty easy, and I've done it many times. So the next website that I want to use, that I want to show you as well, is image to PDF. Now, with image to PDF, if you do have some photo files that you need to convert, and you want to convert these files, and you want to send them somewhere, this is a good way to do it, because you can actually fax that file. Once you download it, you fax it with Fax0, and it's ready to go. You can convert it. The next website that I want to show you is ILovePDF. Pretty simple website, because all you have to do is select the Word file that you have, and you can convert it to a PDF. If you happen to have a Word file in your Google Drive, or if you have it in your Dropbox, you actually have a connection there that you can get the file from there. It's pretty easy stuff, and I actually enjoy it because sometimes you need to convert a quick file and you don't have the right program. You don't want to install a program, or if you're using a Chromebook, you don't have the extension or whatever, you pretty much just go there and it's all done for you. The next website that I want to recommend here is TextMe. Yes, TextMe is a really awesome website if you have a situation where you lost your phone, but you want to send someone a text message to come pick you up at a certain place, and you have someone that can let you use a computer, you're in a library or something like that. This is a good website to use, because you can actually send that fax, and it lets you pick the mobile carrier the person has, and there's so many in there. So it's pretty awesome. Just make sure you do the CAPTCHA and enter the information, and you're pretty much set to go. The final website that I wanted to recommend is HaveIEmpowered. This is a good website for you to find out if anyone has used your information, your email address, and or if your email address has been compromised. As you know, there's a lot of these companies out here, TJ Maxx and whatever, they steal your information. Their databases get hacked, and so this tells you right away if your information has been compromised, if your email address has been compromised, and you can look it up and then try to fix it. And if you do find out, you can change your password right away, because Google's not going to tell you, or Yahoo's not going to tell you if your email has been compromised. It's very rare for them to tell you that type of stuff. If someone has your password and logs in, they don't know. So pretty much with this system, you can actually go in there and find out if there's been any issues with your email addresses, if they've been compromised, and you can move forward and change the address, or make a decision on something that makes sense to you. So that's pretty much it for today. Make sure to look at the links below. We're going to have the links to every website in the description box. And signing off, this is Elias. Take care, everybody.